Hello friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Pure Ice, Coffin Break, and Smouldrin Cauldron. I'll be starting this one with Dainty Digits, Glitter Be Gone, and Sister Chic, Paris Nights. This is a one coat black cream polish. Highly recommend. It's amazing. It's a nice, easy application. I'm in love with this. I am going to cap my free edge. Here we go. There we go. Got it done. Got her done. And here is Pure Ice. And this one is, oh goodness gracious, Coffin Break. I think this is from last year's Halloween. And this one is also from last year's Halloween, I believe. And this one's Smouldrin Cauldron. So I'm going to put the Coffin Break over 3 of my nails, my pinky, middle, and pointer finger, index finger. And then the other one, the Smouldrin Cauldron, will go on my accent nails, my thumb and my ring finger. And I could have just put this one on its own and built it up, but why? Why? When you've got a black base, it only takes like 1 coat. You can do 2. I might do 2. We'll see. But I definitely wanted to do this glitter bombshell over the black. It's got all kind of like flaky, cellophane-y looking goodness in it. Really pops over that black. Hi Woody, how you doing? So there we go with our first coat of everything. And I am going to go ahead and do that second coat. It didn't really need it. But you know, us nail polish junkies, we're crazy like this. We do some crazy stuff, don't we? I'm all about routine, and that second coat really works for me. So on this second coat on this accent nail and my thumb accent nail, I'm doing a little bit of sponging to get more glitter on it. I'm not going for complete 100% opacity. I just wanted to build it up some without it getting thick. I am topping this with the Jealous from American Classics. I get this at Sally's. It's like glitter food, or if you've got something that's bumpy and thick, textured, and you want to smooth it out, this stuff's great for that. It's exactly why I have it in my collection. So I'm going to do 2 coats of it over this, because with me sponging, I did get it kind of, you know, it's not thick, but it's definitely bumpy. And I wanted to seal it in like glass. I wanted it to be very smooth, because I'm going to do some stamping. Got a little piece trying to stick off the end there. I'm just going to tap it down with my finger. And I'm going to top this one with some Poshe top coat. I know that's a little unusual, but see, I'm going to tell y'all a little story here. So I wore this manicure just like this for 1 day, and then I did the stamping the next day. So when I do that, I like to finish off with Poshe or Sesh Feet or the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. I like to use a kind of a thicker top coat. So there we go. We've got some thick top coats going on here. Gonna get it all to dry down. And I only used that Jealous on the nails that had the glitter bling bling on them. I didn't use that on all of them, just those that needed it. And then I'm topping it with the Poshe, because the Jealous is not a fast drying top coat. Here's Woody back again. Hi Woody. He's a busy fella sometimes. So there's a swatch photo of my mani all on its own. And Beauty Big Bang 04 and Beauty Big Bang XL029 are the plates for today. Braves Diva Shutout white stamping polish. My Conad stamper and my Beauty scraper will be in use today. I loved this image with these ghosts. I thought that was just so stinking cute. Look, aren't they adorable? So I'm stamping that image on all of the nails that just have the color on them, the Coffin break. And I've got a different image that I'm going to use on my accent nails. And this will be my last Halloween mani. I'm so sad. I mean, I've got other manis to look forward to, but I do like Halloween manicures. There we go. And here's the image that I'm going to use for my accent nails. It's got like, it's going to do that peekaboo to where some of that glitter bling bling underneath is going to peep-eye through the stamping. And I like using images like this over a glitter bomb. I'm going to tap that down. There we go. So I am cleaning all of my plates off with some pure acetone and a cotton ball. And then I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some of this excess off of my skin around my fingernails. I love it when this trick works. And I am going to clean up just a little bitty bit with some acetone and a cleanup brush. Now that that's done, I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. Definitely want to use that when I'm using this white stamping polish. White's one that's smeared for me in the past. And now that that is completely dry, I'm going to top it with some Poshe Top Coat. Seal it all in. The thumping is cotton. He's got an itch. And Woody's back again. I told you he's a busy fella today. So here is my manicure in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. I do have a swatch photo coming up. I would love to hear what you think about my mani. Leave me a message down below. I love it. Love chatting with you. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.